Yeah, I'd say that's better. Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to another episode from Squatch Outdoors. I'm back out on the kayak. I'm doing some bass fishing. It's raining right now. I'm out on a small local lake of mine. Got some big bass here in the past. There's some really big ones in here, so hopefully we can get some of those. It's supposed to be some severe storms this afternoon, so I don't know how long I'll stay out. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now. And like I said, it's raining, as you can see. This lake's got a lot of lily pads along the edges, so I'm just gonna fish the edges, fish the lily pads, throw a wacky rig to start, and see if I can get some bass for you guys, so stay tuned. Fish of the day. That's a nice pickerel. Another pickerel. Handle this one a little bit better. The rain stopped, but pickerel day so far. Alright, we're catching fish. It'd be nice to get some bass, so keep trying. Bass of the day. I'll work them out of those pads. It's decent. Oh, not very long, but he's chunky. I'll take it. It's that first bass of the day. There's bigger ones in here. Nice look. Deal. Get another one. There's one. Feels decent. I don't know what it is yet. It's a bass. Back casts, another bass. Get out there. And smaller. Not good. Yeah, there is a tiny one. That was back-to-back cast. I caught that one you just saw, and then got that one. Still waiting on the big one. Another one. Oh. In like 5 casts. Lost that one. Getting in a hot area. Small guy. Catching fish today. Nothing huge though. I'd say that's better. That is huge. Stay on. Stay on. Don't take me to the pads. That is by far the biggest bass I ever caught in my life. That thing is huge. Are you kidding me? That is the biggest bass. I think that thing's got to be that's got to be 10 pounds. Look at the size of that thing. That thing is huge. Go! I gotta get a picture of this one. I gotta find my phone. It's a mess in here right now. Guys, that bass is huge. That thing is huge. Snapping a few photos. One last look. That thing is monstrous. Get another picture here. All right. That is a monster bass. Good deal. Whew. I couldn't believe when that thing jumped. That was a giant. I sure hope I was rolling. All right, I told you there's big ones in here. See if we can get another one. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a morning. I only fished 2 hours. I had to land about 10 fish, but I just got an alert on my phone that there's some heavy rain moving in, so I'm gonna head out of here. But that was fun. I mean, that was, you saw it. That was the biggest bass, and it'll be the last one because I didn't catch anything after that. But that was the biggest bass I ever caught in my life. Now, I probably said he was like 10 pounds. I doubt he was that big, but I mean, he felt like it. I don't even know how big he was. At least 7, 8 pounds, something like that. But man, the belly on that thing was huge. So that was awesome. That made the whole trip worth it. And I mean, I caught several other fish as well. A lot of smaller bass and a couple pickerel, but man, that thing was huge. That's the biggest bass I ever caught in my life. I'm still on cloud 9 over it, as you can tell. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll see you next time here on Squatch Outdoors. So tight lines, and hope you get a big one.